Hello guys, this is True Samachar. Now I'm going to tell you about a case which is happening in year 1884 in necessity as a defense. So let's start the case. The situation is that four men from an English ship Mignonet face a storm and they are trapped in a boat 1,000 miles from the land in the sea without sufficient food or water. After extinguishing their merged food, they are left with nothing but the vast sea without any sight of land. After going without food and water for 7 days, the captain of ship Thomas Dudley decided that a lot should be drawn to sacrifice one of the four men so that the other three could survive by feeding on his flesh. To which Edward Stephens agreed. Ned Brooke refused to follow the method and cabin boy Richard Parker was not consulted. After some days, Dudley and Stephens decided to kill the boy. After the killing, the three men fed on boy's flesh for 4 days and then they were rescued. Both the men were tried first at Falmouth, then released on bail, and in November stood trial before a judge, Baron Huddleston, and the jury at Exeter. They are jury at the instigation of judge found a special verdict, setting out the fact and leaving it to the court to decide whether the men were guilty of murder. In 1884, the procedure had long been neglected. It was especially revived for the occasion by the various procedural devices. It was decided to bring the case before a bench of 5 judges constituting the Queen's Bench Division in London. They were found guilty of murder. They were sentenced to death, but later their sentence was reduced to life imprisonment. It was held that necessity is no defense for a crime. So guys, I'm end up with this. Thanks guys.